Yaka Khas Hills Autonomous District Council, Nangta ya Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, but hadin pat ke Jan Hills Autonomous District Council ki belong ke Laitali ki Council po ka jala, la thao lung ba ka 6 schedule dani ka taka khandit ka bahan riu jongkar ti sensar jongkar India. Ka kam ka jongki ka long, pan pek penyada ya ka jonglong try muluk jongki jai beri rulung ki pasong hapo ka jala Meghalaya, man ba kirang long hapo ka jala ba ka Assam. Kamam ski kalau ruk penyada nep sa ya kereti ke dustur kawadan nak try muluk jokin di ke Laitali ke district council Henry kat banang mi kisni kini ke Laitali ke district council kamtam ke Garhils Autonomous District Council bat ke Jadils Autonomous District Council kila kelalong penban ke jing ban khia hakabede ba ke jinglot ke jing sap bat kumjur ka kata ya ka pisane ka patengka jong soka jella Nambar bikin ki Laitali ki council ki lang penban ki Hati ket Kulai. Ya ka delapan pau da umitrana ba ka jalla ukonda sangma ha ka boleh tu ba menen ka sik ladon ka jinya shut jabi ng lengkap berki MDC. Nekani ki Laitali ki district council kamtam akabde ba ka jing duna ba ka jing terkhong pisa ka platengka jogan ki district council. Ba ka daw ka ba konsan ng letu ukon ra ka day namar bikla board palat kinong tray ka ba ka kampat ka duna ba kumjuru ka jing mi ka duna. Kondat oleh tu batang hapbo Garhils Autonomous District Council kin president pelat ya khasos pangun wat kumjuru apa Gentil District kaba ke jingmi pat kalong tang khandiat de kan ba hapbo Garhils Autonomous Council pan kaba khamya gi don tang ka hapbo news pangut kin pre bat kadi kan ni ka daw ka bla penlong ya ke Council ban chemjing ban trekam namar ka jing bom don kilat pen pisa bat kumjuru pat ke jing pelut kalong ka babun Tim tak daw kon asama le tu bahkan ke jing shot jabi bat ke abdesi la shemi kira na kam tabat pen klan kabide ko jing pisa yeke dismasal umati rang ba ole thuru ba ka daw ka ba kongsan ya ka jing bot palat kinok trai ha kini ke district council ka dei namar bal chuthung tanam ta ka jing mantoy sign pan thai lani ka ta ka political appointments kam da pek kam da don ki post ki ba sanction and kam da don ka pisa ka bala mang lupa na kam ta ban thong yikini kinok trai ne la chuthung kat se bala bat kat bamwan jagi politician.
Very good evening to everyone. So today we had a very productive meeting with the 3 autonomous district councils of our state, namely the Jayanti Hills, Khasi Hills and Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And the objective of this meeting was in 3 different objectives. First objective was to look at the overall administration and the different rules, whether financial or HR or procurement policies, and ensure that wherever the district councils felt that they needed the support of the government and to work with the government in guiding them to ensure that the different rules are in place. We discussed all those details, and we are hopeful that all the district councils will put in their different administrative, HR, service rules, procurement policies, financial policies at different levels in all the district councils at the earliest. So detailed discussion took place, and we have formed a special committee which will be headed by the Chief Secretary, and the different district council officials will be members, and whatever guidance and whatever support is required will be done to ensure that that objective is met. The second objective was to go into all the bills that are pending in the last many years for different district councils, which are pending for different reasons. Some at the department level, some at the council level, some at the law department level, and some even in the governor's secretariat. And hence, we have asked the expert committee, which has been set up under the DCA, which will incorporate the different concerned departments and also the district councils, to examine all of these pending bills and find out the reasons why and where they are stuck, and work towards ensuring that they reach the logical conclusion that they should. So that's the second objective, which is to ensure that all the pending bills of the district councils are passed and cleared at the earliest. The third was regarding financial reformation in the different district councils. In detail, we discussed about the different financial situation and positions that the district councils are facing, the different manpower issues that they're having. For example, we saw that the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council has close to 1,500 employees, and about 5 years back they had about 2,500 employees, and salaries even exceeding to almost 5 crores is being paid on a monthly basis, 5 plus minus, I don't have the exact number with me, being paid by the district councils, in spite of, as I said, 1,000 employees reduction taking place as a, in terms of rationalization that took place. Why we are engaging with them continuously. This issue of the problem with the district councils, which we are not seeing in Khasi Hills that much, is because of the appointments that have been made in the past many years. As I was mentioning to you and giving an example, that the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council in the year about 2015-16 had close to 2,500 employees, whereas Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council even today has less than 800 employees. And this happened because during that time appointments were made without any kind of sanction or any kind of process or recruitment system, and it was made purely at a political will. But in the last 5 to 6 years, we have been monitoring things very closely. I have taken personal interest, and no new appointments have been made in the last 5 to 6 years in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And hence, if somebody retired, then those posts were rationalized, and those who were put against a non-sanctioned post were then taken up and put in against those who retired against a sanctioned post. And so there was a lot of restriction in the last 5-6 years, and that is why we were able to reduce the numbers from 2,500 today to less than 1,500. We're about 1,400 employees in Garo Hills, but it is still a huge number. To give an example to you, just the forest department alone has got 450 employees in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Today, Jayante Hills District Council has got 300 employees in the education department, where the education department was transferred back in the 90s to the state government, but certain schools were left, or they recruited again at that point in time, and today there is something called the district council LP schools still functioning in Jayante Hills, and hence those kind of burdens were not rationalized at that point in time, and the impact of these kind of recruitments that took place without any sanction and without any procedure is having the impact on the district councils now. So reforms have started, but they will take time to see a clear impact. But we are seeing already, as I said, the overall burden of salary is going down, but it will not be enough, because the revenues also have to go up and other expenditures have to go down. So it's quite a long drawn process. But as I said, it's not a problem that has emerged from nowhere. It is because of the misgovernance, and as I said, because of certain appointments being done in a very haphazard manner in the past many years, which led to the current condition of the district councils.
So the government has suggested these district councils to at least have a proper recruitment policies?
Absolutely. So that is where the service rules come in. Certain service rules, certain councils do not have service rules, or rather they had service rules, but they are very old. Some of the service rules were there but not followed at certain point in time. In certain cases, the service rule was amended and sent, but again changes were made, but again it lied pending for some time. So these kind of small administrative matters has delayed the service rule in certain cases. I don't want to go into details about all of them because these are internal matters. But just to give an example to you that yes, because of that there were some recruitment issues. But once these rules are in place, once procedures are in place, then it will not be so simple for somebody to just flaunt the rules and the laws and do as they desire or as they wish. They'll have to follow procedure.